Hello everyone, welcome to this series on the synopsis and summaries of famous works of literature. And in this video, we are going to discuss Shakespeare's play King Lear. Introduction. King Lear, written by William Shakespeare around 1605 to 1606, stands as one of the most compelling and emotionally powerful plays in Western literature. Samuel Johnson praised its gripping plot and complex characters, noting that the play keeps the audience's attention through a tumultuous blend of indignation, pity, and hope. This video will explore the thematic and structural elements that contribute to the play's enduring impact and its recognition as a supreme achievement in drama. Historical and literary context. During Shakespeare's lifetime, King Lear was not particularly esteemed above his other works. It was later reinterpreted that Newham Tate's 1681 version, giving it a happy ending, more palatable to Restoration audiences. The original play was not performed again until 1826. The Romantic era brought renewed appreciation with figures like Samuel Taylor Coleridge and P.B. Shelley heralding it as a dramatic masterpiece. The play's existential themes and cosmic scale have gained even more resonance in the modern era, reflecting the complexities of the human condition and societal upheaval. Characters. Lear, the aging king who decides to divide his kingdom among his daughters, leading to his downfall. Cordelia, Lear's youngest daughter, disinherited for her honesty but remains loyal and loving. Goneril and Regan, Lear's elder daughters who deceitfully profess their love for power, ultimately betraying him. Gloucester, a nobleman loyal to Lear, betrayed by his illegitimate son Edmund. Edgar, Gloucester's legitimate son, who disguises himself as poor Tom to survive. Edmund, Gloucester's illegitimate son, who schemes to usurp his father's title and lands. Kent, a loyal nobleman who disguises himself to continue serving Lear after being banished. The Fool, Lear's court jester who offers wisdom through his folly. Plot summary. King Lear opens with Lear deciding to divide his kingdom among his three daughters, based on their professions of love for him. Goneril and Regan deceitfully flatter him, while Cordelia's honest declaration of love leads to her disinheritance. Lear soon faces betrayal from Goneril and Regan, leading to his descent into madness. Meanwhile, Gloucester is similarly betrayed by his illegitimate son Edmund. The play's climax sees Gloucester blinded and Lear wandering in a storm, both suffering profoundly. The tragic conclusion features the deaths of Lear, Cordelia, and other principal characters, underscoring themes of cosmic injustice and human suffering. Themes. Love and betrayal. The play explores the complexities of familial love, loyalty, and betrayal. Lear's misguided demand for flattery leads to his downfall, while true love and loyalty are ultimately shown by Cordelia and Kent. Madness. Lear's descent into madness reflects the chaos and disorder in his kingdom and his mind, symbolizing the vulnerability of human nature. Justice and injustice. The play challenges the notion of poetic justice, presenting a world where virtue is not always rewarded and evil often goes unpunished. Nature and the natural order. The disruption of the natural order through Lear's abdication and the ensuing chaos highlights the importance of natural law and hierarchy. Existential and cosmic themes. King Lear delves into existential questions about human suffering, the meaning of life, and the indifferent forces of the universe. Narrative techniques and style. Tragic structure. The play's structure foregoes extensive exposition diving directly into the tragic events. This swift movement from cause to consequence intensifies the dramatic impact. Double plot. The parallel stories of Lear and Gloucester enhance the themes and deepen the emotional resonance. This contrapuntal structure creates a symphonic effect, enriching the narrative. Language and imagery. Shakespeare's use of vivid imagery and powerful language, particularly in Lear's speeches, amplifies the emotional and thematic depth. The storm scene on the heath is a prime example of how external chaos mirrors internal turmoil. Symbolism. Characters like the Fool and Edgar as Poor Tom serve as symbols of truth and human suffering respectively. Their interactions with Lear provide critical insights into his character and the play's broader themes. Conclusion. King Lear is unparalleled in its exploration of human and cosmic truth, portraying the devastating consequences of folly, betrayal, and the quest for power. Shakespeare's masterful narrative techniques, complex characters, and profound themes create a tragedy that remains deeply relevant and emotionally impactful. The play challenges audiences to confront the harsh realities of existence, offering no easy consolations, but rather a poignant reflection on the endurance of the human spirit in the face of overwhelming adversity. So this was the summary and synopsis of the play King Lear by William Shakespeare. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other work. Until then, goodbye and thank you.